Honey, give me the camera.
The city? Yeah, just there. This is a church and they call it Lica Vitosa part.
That's the church right on top, right? Yeah.
The church is there. I can join in here? Top of a mountain, right? So you want to go mountain? It's kind of a flag, right? You're going to go by the flag? Take it all over Africa. Countries not over here. I said, Greece is impossible. Bombs over here. Forza one of the bombs. Of course, all dogs that were killed. But properly the man over there. Was a gunpowder here, a lot of gunpowder they got. They had war. The Ottoman Greeks, they have a lot of gunpowder. One of the bombs fall off the air and exploded the whole thing. Blew up the whole thing. This thing got fixed inside so they can lift this one.
Don't laugh, you never know. The ancient, like in Rome, that famous library everybody was going to study. They had underground railways. They were lined, they were going to study. They were going from underground to the library to the brothel. Yeah, people.
Even here, where were we when we came for a tour? We went to.
I think it was here.
Yeah, it was here.
Not here. The one in Turkey. They had underground.
Or in Istanbul.
Yeah, in Istanbul.
Yeah.
They also had them
Under the church.
But they. What happened?
No, you can't. We're stepping on it. No.
God, are you crazy? You're gonna go right down all the way to
Sorry.
the end. Stop that.
Okay, well, here is the museum now. Come.
What's that up there? We don't know.
Church.
Oh, that's a church. Okay.
Yeah, he's
Style.